up, YouTube? This video we're talking about, I don't know, man. It's not much to it. The last two videos is what everything is about, really. All the rest is bullshit. I ain't gonna lie. Like, for real. Alright, we gonna talk about, I thought that intro was whack, bro. Alright, we gonna talk about, credit YouTube. Credit YouTube is always fire. Like, alright, so look. So, this YouTube shit, you gotta keep making great videos every time. How you can make a great video is like the basis of it. Greater title, greater topics, thumbnail, all that. Like, I gotta do that too, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I gotta create, this is why I keep making them every day. Not every day, like right now. Like this morning I didn't want to make them, and I was like, man, I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna make them. Cause you growing your own audience, they create a trust in you. And you using your own platform by you. You have to go through nobody. But if you doesn't mean there's no rules. Like there's a terms of service, like no drugs, no like torture, violence, shit, crazy. So you can't put information that's sensitive, and there's a whole lot of crap like that you can't do. So you gotta read the terms of service. But yeah, it's still fire on your own platform, bro. Yeah, what's it called? This tool right here, it's fire. This shit can help you find like keywords. Oh yeah, this right here helps. This tool right here helps you make the thumbnails. On my phone, I edit my videos with this app right here, and I get my thumbnails from here. But there's a editor you could use. This one right here, it's fire. Overshot. You could look up like beats that you have in the background. So like, say the volume is 1 out of 10, is what you saying and all that, and then the music is probably like 1 out of, like what you're saying is 10 out of 10, and unless you're saying it very loud, screaming, you can lower it. But I think I'm kind of lower than screaming. So I might have to raise it, I ain't gonna lie. And then if I put background music, I make it like 1 or 2, 2.53 out of 10. So it's like the background. And then it helps. I might do that. I might create some intros too. See, that's the point of this YouTube shit. Like the more you create more videos, the more like better you get every time. I might put like parts where like if I'm explaining something, I get like a whiteboard with some drawings, showing what I'm explaining about right after I explain it, like to get it to the audience visually like understood, like shit like that. It helps. I feel like, but yeah, the keywords. The best one is like already working videos, like that already out there. Like I need to do that. I need to find what's the most popular videos people have made related to like things that you would like to gain a market demand on your platform. So right, and then you just put like a different variable to it. In 2019, without doing this, with doing this, in this month, year, stuff like that. So it's not the same exact title. And then at least you just put a different variable, general, so the title and the topic. So yeah, that's what I gotta do. That's what everybody has to do at the beginning. And it's tutorial video too. People wanna solve problems. Like, now you just create a market demand on your platform by just solving the problem that you already do. Popular, really demand. And then now you create notifications and all that. Go on to your other videos and keep right. They become a fan and all that. So there you go. That's how you get it for free. Not the free, this credit shit wasn't free. But once I got past like this point right here, I don't lie. Alright, LLC is 303. It comes with the EIN. You yourself, you could as a sole proprietorship doing business as. So when you level up to the status of American Express, you yourself, you can get those for yourself, let alone all the other link up you want that you have with OPG. That's lit. Because you could promote yourself. I could do the listing. And I could upload it on Facebook. I could reach out to people similar to the people I just don't list. I just keep going whatever offerings I ever have. Same thing, you buy from this. That's the most important. I can come across as an advisor. I don't have to be fucking Bill Gates. I could be a great advisor and create equity in people. There's duality. I could aim to. I mean, that's the goal. Even back, but shit like that, you know. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, the IRS can give you the EIN. You apply for an EIN, and then you click. That is for a sole proprietorship doing business as. So you just put your name, and the EIN, and download the PDF. You might want to print it, save it. Your EIN is there, so when you go to the higher level, like close to 800 credit score, like close to half of 100,000 to 100,000 primaries, you apply for American Express. SECU, FNBO, credit unions. Credit unions, I'm gonna repeat it again. Credit unions. Why? Because regular bank shit is washed off. Credit unions are offering high limits now. That's what it is. Hell yeah. That's getting you fun now. There you go. Man, you created like half a dozen videos. All my videos basically gonna be the same shit. I'm gonna build a personal brand and MVP. You could use this platform right here. This one. I'm gonna add a Facebook picture on it and Google tag code from AdWords. Google tag. This is see. So it's tracking. You use Pyros too. It's tracking everything. So when people purchase, people similar to them, the offerings, it's gonna help them sell you more. That's personal branding and MVP. Like, this shit is crazy, bro. Like, yo, you could create videos that are already in demand. You just put a different variable. Like, in this year, in this month. Say the motherfucker made the video last month, you could put the next month and say, like, it's easier to get 5 million views on one video than like 700,000 views on every single like 30 videos. But if you already know that's in demand, say like it's for TV, all that. You don't want the fame, my guys. I'm telling y'all, you want to sell. You don't have an agenda to sell your product with the fame. F the fame, bro. What is fame gonna do? Like you gonna have people bugging you, saying hi to you everywhere. Like, you really want to be private. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I thought about doing this shit like 1 billion times, but I said, you know what? It's free. F it. I'ma do it. So here we go. really know how to do it. It's free. There you go. It's my third video. I already put it. How to create personal brand MVP. You either want like putting on like GetIQ finds keywords for you, right? The main one, number one, is you wanna like put different variables to a videos that really so have a demand. And when you talk like with this, like talking about like when you're solving problems, right? In that area, right? And then when you make it with a different variable. So you already know it has a demand. You're gonna start picking off up from the demand you had already. And then now you created a platform audience with demand on it. Demand is like what the people want. You want to create what the people want. Nobody cares about you. You can't walk around with no blog from the beginning and about your life and all this. It's tutorials. It's tutorials. What the people want. That's what's gonna help you create the audience at first to create your platform. Then, like after doing that, a lot you could probably make a blog, and off of that you build like loyal followers. That's that, bro.
Never stop, don't get it if I want it. I gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up, go to pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, don't get it if you want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak quiet. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
But yeah, most people hiding this. They're like, nah, don't tell people about this. Don't tell people about this. So now they off my days on my last video, on my brother. Yeah, most people hiding this shit like crazy. Hell yeah. But yeah, first you gotta get your credit right. You gotta have a good amount, like hundreds of thousands, millions. This, you Gucci.